Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to customize our display mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how to customize our screen? We need to go of course to settings. Then we are looking for accessibility menu, and here we have visibility enhancements. And in visibility enhancements, we have a wide variety of options that we can adjust. For example, high contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard, highlight buttons, color inversion, color adjustment, etc., etc., color filter even. We have quite a few options that we can adjust here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.